How to send an error log report to iolo technical support. In order to better assist in diagnosing specific product issues, it may be necessary for customer care to request log reports which contain information about your installed product and its behavior on your computer. Please follow the instructions outlined below to send application logging information about your installed product. Windows 7 and Windows 10, 1. Click the folder icon on the taskbar. 2. Click View at the top of the page. 3. Check mark the box for hidden items. 4. Click this PC in the side panel menu. 5. Double-click on local disk, C. 6. Navigate to C/users/ your username /appdata /local /temp /iolo technologies. Seven. Locate the file named bootstrap.log. 8. Right-click on the file and select Copy. 9. Right-click on the desktop and click Paste. 10. From within your support ticket, click to reply and click on Attach a file. 11. Navigate to your Windows desktop, select the bootstrap.log file and add it by selecting Open. 12. Next, navigate to C:\program data /iolo technologies /logs and attach any log files that exist. 13. When you are finished making any final notes, click on Reply to submit.